Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel My Study IQ. Today we are going to create how to make cat chasing mouse game using coding. So let's start. First of all, we have to insert the speeds for chasing game. We have to insert a cat, and next I'm going to insert the sprite for mouse. So this is mouse. First I'm going to reduce the size of cat to are known as 17 and reduce the size of mouse are known as 40. This is the size. I'm going to take the place. This is the place of, and I'm going to insert the backstage. So this is the stripes backstage. I'm going to write the code for mouse. Okay, so first I'm going to insert the when I'm click. After that I'm going to use forever block. So this is forever block. In forever block I'm going to insert point towards. So this is the option. What do you mean by that? When I'm going to click on this forever block executed, the mouse pointer means when I'm going to run this, the mouse, whenever you move a mouse pointer on this area, the mouse will be moved on the particular direction. So this is, I'm going to export. Next I'm going to use a move 10 steps inside this. So I'm going to move 7 steps for forward. What will happen? I'm going to run this. It will be moved on 10 direction in mouse direction 1. Okay, I'm going to stop this. Next I'm going to change the costume. So this is the next change costume, sorry, look, and this is the next costume. I'm going to insert this. I'm going to run this. So this is the next costume. I'm going to stop this. Next, width 3 second. I'm going to use control block, and this is the width block. I'm going to insert behind the next costume and type 0.03 steps. So I'm going to run this. So this is the speed of that mouse. I'm stop this. Next, I'm going to write the code for cat. Again I'm going to insert when I'm going to click, and again I'm going to use the forever block. This is forever block, and the same I'm going to use the forward, sorry, motion, and you have to point forward. This is point towards and select the mouse first. After that we have to move 5 steps. The speed of mouse are known as move 7 steps, but I'm going to change the speed of cat are 5 steps. Next I'm going to use wait block. So this is wait, and after moving 5 steps it will wait 0.4 second. So 0.04 second. After that it will going to change the costume. So this is the next costume. I'm going to behind wait block, and I'm going to run this. So this is the code, the cat chasing the speeds. Whenever you drag the mouse pointer, it will move. So this is all about code cat chasing the mouse. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.